Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add collections in circular carousel slider in Shopify. First, go ahead and log into your Shopify. Once inside the dashboard, on the left panel, click on Online Store. Now, click on the three dots beside your theme and select on Edit Code. Once in, go to Sections on the left panel. Then go ahead and add a new section. Here name it as collection slider and click on done. For here you need a code, so I have one here that you can copy and paste. I'll just add it in the description box. So just go ahead and copy this code. Now erase this one and paste the code that I gave. After that, just click on the save button on the top right. Now go back to your Shopify and click on customize beside your store. Now just add in a section, then scroll and select your collection slider. Here you'll now see your carousel. On the right panel, you can change the number of columns on desktop. You can also edit the theme color and also the number of columns on mobile. Now to add in your collection, on the right you can click on the plus button to add a new one. Just add in how many you like, and you can also go ahead and delete them. Now to add your collection, click on it and select the one that you want to display. Just go ahead and do that to your other collection. Now you can also go ahead and change the title heading. Just type in on what you like. You can also go ahead and enable a view all button for it. And after that, once done on customizing, just click the save button at the top right. Now you can view your store. Just click on these three dots and view it. And if you scroll down, you can see now your circular carousel collection. And that's just it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.